How to turn off email subscription on Heyday. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how we can easily turn off the email subscription on Heyday application. First of all, launch open Heyday on your device and make sure that you're inside this home page. Now go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button and click settings. Inside the settings menu, click on the connected button from the top. This will take you to this expanded menu from where you need to click on the gear button. Now scroll down from the menu and you'll see the email subscription option. If you want to turn that off, toggle off the button right next to receive news and updates. Once you have this button turned off, you can enjoy farming without inbox clutter from Heyday. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.